If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If our love's insanity, why are you my clarity? Walk on through a red parade and refuse to make amends. It cuts deep through our ground and makes us forget all common sense. Don't speak as I try to leave, 'cause we both know what we'll choose. If you pull, then I'll push too deep and I'll fall right back to you. 'Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need.
Take a look at my body, look at my hands. There's so much here that I don't understand. Your face-saving promises, whispered like prayers. I don't need them, 'cause I've been treated so wrong. I've been treated so long, as if I'm becoming untouchable. Well, contempt loves the silence, it thrives in the dark. A fine-winding tendrils that strangle the heart. They say that promises sweeten the blow, but I don't need them. No, I don't need them. Oh, I need the darkness, the sweetness, the sadness, the weakness. Oh, I need this. Need a lullaby, kiss goodnight, angel sweet, love of my life. Oh, I need this. Do you remember the way that you touched me before? All the trembling sweetness I loved and adored. Your face-saving promises, whispered like prayers. I don't need them. I need the darkness, the sweetness, the sadness, the weakness. Oh, I need this. I need a lullaby, kiss goodnight, angel sweet, love of my life. Oh, I need this. Well, is it dark enough? Can you see me? Do you want me? Can you reach me? Oh, I'm leaving. Better shut your mouth and hold your breath. You kiss me now, you catch your death. Oh, I mean this. Oh, I mean this. Is it dark enough? Can you see me? Do you want me? Can you reach me? Oh, I'm leaving. Better shut your mouth and hold your breath. You kiss me now, you catch your death. Oh, I mean this. Oh, I mean this. I'm a slow dying flower, frost killing out the sweet turning sour and untouchable.